Welcome to Eye on the Tigers News. I'm Kennedy Lamb.
And I'm Patrick Howell. The Supreme Court turned away appeals Monday from 5 states seeking to prohibit same-sex marriages, paving the way for immediate expansion of gay and lesbian unions. The justices on Monday did not commit in rejecting appeals from Oklahoma, Indiana, Utah, Virginia, and Wisconsin. No other states were currently pending with the High Court, but the justices stopped short of resolving, for now, the question of same-sex marriage nationwide.
Good news for drivers, as U.S. gasoline prices are at their lowest in 4 years, following a drop in crude oil futures. The average price at the pump dropped to $3.33 a gallon as of last Thursday, down 10% from this year's high, and the lowest for the month of September since 2010. The good news should continue, as the price at the pump is expected to fall even further. AAA is forecasting the national average for gasoline will drop below $3 in the coming month, rivaling 2009 prices.
The hunt for Malaysian Airlines Flight 370 resumed Monday in a desolate stretch of the Indian Ocean, more than 6 months after the jet vanished. The GO Phoenix, the first of 3 ships that will spend up to a year hunting for the wreckage far off Australia's west coast, is expected to spend 12 days hunting for the jet before heading to shore to refuel. Crews will use sonar, video cameras, and jet fuel sensors to scour the seabed for the Boeing 777, which vanished for reasons unknown on March 8th during a flight from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing with 239 people on board.
16 days of beer-soaked revelry have come to a close with a traditional gun salute that heralds the end of Munich's annual Oktoberfest. Authorities say some 6.3 million visitors came to this year's event, which ended Sunday, and 6.5 million 1-liter mugs were consumed.
A road crew in Washington state has had it with a beaver that persists in building a dam under a bridge. Crews have removed a beaver dam 3 times since August. Each time the beaver rebuilds it near Port Orchard on the west side of Puget Sound, across from Seattle. One was as large as 40 feet long and 3 feet high. The county decided to spend $15,000 to hire a beaver trapper.
After a busy week in sports, here's Aislinn Foltz.
The American League Championship Series is set after both the Royals and Orioles swept through the division series. The two will meet for Game 1 on Friday. In the National League, the Nationals will try to stave off a giant sweep tonight, while the Dodgers and Cardinals meet for Game 3. The series is tied 1-1. And finally, the ladies volleyball team beat Jordan Albridge Saturday afternoon with a score of 3-0.
We're expecting some changes in our weather this week. With the details, here's Andrea Ross.
After a wet and raw weekend, we can expect temperatures to rebound as the sun takes over again today, before rain emerges again tonight and tomorrow morning. Here's a look at the week ahead. We can expect temperatures to continue into the upper 60s today and Tuesday. Until Wednesday, throughout the rest of the week, they will go down to the upper 50s. Thankfully, the weekend looks sunny with partial cloud coverage.
With a look at the calendar, here's Shannon Corey.
A look at the calendar shows that the 5-week grades are due from teachers on Tuesday. Students should expect reports on Friday. The girls' soccer team travels to Chittenango today. And finally, our friends from Schneiberdingen, Germany, are scheduled to arrive Friday evening. The group will spend their next 3 weeks with their Mexico hosts.
Thank you for joining us with Eye on the Tiger News. Look for us tomorrow. Have a great day.